The 1967 Boss Mustang by Kindig is not just a car, it's a work of art. This custom build takes the iconic 1967 Mustang and transforms it into a high-performance beast with a unique blend of classic and contemporary elements. Every aspect of this vehicle has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. At the heart of the Mustang by Kindig lies a 418 cubic inch Pro-Charged engine that delivers an astonishing 950 horsepower. This powerhouse of an engine is paired with a 6-speed Tremec transmission, ensuring smooth and precise gear shifts. The chassis of the Boss Mustang has been expertly modified to handle the immense power of the engine. Built back to a unibody structure with an Art Morrison Extreme G chassis, wheels and tires. Luxury 307. Style wheels measuring 20 by 8 inches in the front and a massive 24 by 15 inches in the rear. These stylish and high-performance wheels are paired with Pirelli 405 by 25 R24 rear tires, providing exceptional grip and traction. Featuring custom body modifications and a stunning paint job. The custom paint job with graphics by Dave Kindig is the cherry on top of this automotive masterpiece. The front and rear fascia have been completely redesigned, giving the Mustang a more aggressive and modern look. The raised rear wheel wells accommodate the massive rear tires, while the custom zoomies and exhaust cutouts add a touch of performance-inspired flair. Step inside the 1967 Boss Mustang by Kindig, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and meticulously crafted interior. The hand-fabricated panels throughout the cabin are upholstered in custom-dyed basketball orange leather by JS Custom Interiors. This vibrant and unique color scheme adds a touch of flair to the interior, making it as visually striking as it is comfortable. The attention to detail is evident in every stitch and seam, showcasing the craftsmanship that went into creating this one-of-a-kind interior.